Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Ramon. Um, Today we're gonna check out my son's reaction. I bought him a toy snake, but he wanted a spider. So let's see what's gonna be his reaction on this one. And I hope you guys stay tuned. Let's go. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
What's your name? What's your name? No, what's your name? Your name is Ram Ray. You wanna go open the package? Let's go. Where is it? Right here. Come on, let's go open it. Ano yan? Excited na naman siya. Tingnan natin kung anong magiging reaction niya kasi ayaw niya ng snake eh.
It's Barry.
Yes. Gusto niya yung spider pero snake ang kinuha ko. Kasi yung spider niya sa next ano na daw yun.
Next spider.
Okay, put it down. Let's see. Next one is the tarantula.
Yeah.
Mukhang gusto niya to ah.
Wait, I cut it. Let's cut the box. Wait, Dad. I'm gonna open it. Can I open?
Careful, baby. I got a knife. Okay, go ahead.
Not the snake.
Oh, what is that?
Not the snake.
What happened? You don't like the snake? Oh, it's okay. Next one is the tarantula, baby. Huh? Okay, we're gonna order the tarantula next time, okay? Well, for now, you have to play with this one, okay? Sabi ko na ayaw niya to. Oy, so... Oh, wow, naman. This one is good too. May remote naman siya, anak. There.
Dad.
It has controller. So you like your snake now?
Look, Daddy. Daddy, look, there's a charger.
Oh wow. You like your snake now?
Yeah. I'm gonna get it out.
Okay, get it out. Whoa, what color is that?
Blue.
Blue. Oh, it's a cobra.
Look, it's a cobra.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a remote.
It's the egg remote.
Look, Daddy, look.
What is that?
Tail.
The tail.
And then look, there's another tail.
Mm.
Like that, there's another tail.
Yeah, you have to connect them.
Hey, can you connect this? Look, Daddy, it's a snake.
Oh, the battery right there.
Oh, there's no back. There's no battery. They get the battery out. Get these batteries. Get these batteries out. Hey.
Here's your snake.
Oh, snake. Snake.
We have to charge the snake, baby. Oh, look, it lights up. Okay, can you try? It's not moving. Let me see.
I put battery on that one. I'm gonna put battery on this one. There.
Oh, you're right.
Look at the wheels. Oh, look at that! Look at that toy.
The tongue is moving.
Oh,
Whoa,
Daddy, give me that.
that's creepy. It works. Whoa, that's creepy, baby. You're not scared? So you like your snake?
Yes.
You're happy now?
Yes.
You like it now?
Yes.
Oh, sure.
The hairs on it. It got hairs on it. Oh, look, Daddy, look. It's cracking. Look, Daddy, it's cracking.
Oh, it's the egg.
Look, Daddy, it's cracked.
Yeah.
Look, Daddy, it's cracked.
Can we see the snake move? Whoa, that's creepy.
Look at the tongue. Look, Daddy.
Say bye.
Bye.
Alright, guys. Hope you liked it. See you guys again next time. Say bye.
Bye. Dad, can you
So he ended up liking it. So I guess it's still a win-win, right?